Hello YouTube, this is BlowMonkey51. I have another review for you guys. I bought a sort of a cheaper version of the Apple charging cord. From what it's not that, the camera's not that good of a quality, but you can kind of tell that it's not as thick as the normal one by my fingers. And the new ones, obviously, they aren't rounded like this. They're a little more square. But I mean, overall, it's fairly good length. Here's the charger part. I'm going up. Here's the cable. So this cable, I mean, it works pretty good. I'll run a demo right now. You see my iPod is here on the iHome. Pull that off. Bear with me, I have a floor charger right here. Apparently it doesn't want to go. Oh, there we go. Hit the jackpot. Okay. So we got that plugged in. So hard to get a freaking cable in. How hard is it to get a freaking cable in? Are you kidding me? Okay. Reset it. And voila. It's charging just like the original cord. The speed it just starts charging is about the same as this classic cord, but apparently from reviewers, this cord will only last 3 months, up to 6 months with rough use, and about 6 months with taking care of you. So if you don't want to buy expensive cord, this runs about for in between $2.99, $3, or $3.20. Free shipping though, so I do recommend picking this cord up because it is a very good cord, and for the price and the quality, you're basically getting about half the quality of an Apple cord, but I mean it's still built really good. And I do want to note that right here on the little USB part, it feels a little stronger, so I'm gonna have to say it's just a really good product. So for the price, you're getting a really decent product. So this is BlowMonkey51 with electronic reviews. Click the like button, subscribe, and leave comments in the comment section below. I'll see you guys next time.